Alright guys, we got a Kia Sorento here today. Oh, that is locked up on the side of the road today, as you can see. Anyway, so your Kia doesn't start. It does that. You go, okay, I might need a battery, right? It's like 5 years old, but hang on, I don't want to get run over here. Oh wait, new battery. Okay, I put my booster on it. Can you focus on something? That'd be great. My booster on it. Customer has a new battery. I go, okay, it might be the starter. It was previously we kind of try to turn and then stop. So I actually, somebody had already called a starter on it. I ended up putting a starter in it. I shouldn't have, because here's the thing. Come down here, grab your big ratchet, on the passenger side. See that? On the crank pulley. I'm gonna try to turn this. It is seized. So, no matter what, that poor little starter and the battery can't turn this thing. And guess what? Take a look up here. Let's take a look at the dipstick. Is there anything on it? No, there's not. Come on, focus please. It's completely dry. So, yeah, unfortunately, this customer needs a new engine. It's not something I'm going to be able to do on the side of the road. So yeah, next time you run into this, obviously make sure your battery is okay. Before you go and throw a starter in it, make sure the motor turns. Thanks, Kia. I thought the 3.3 liter was okay. I guess not. Should probably clarify something here. I know I said it was bone dry, but we don't actually know that. We know full and low is 1 liter. From here to there is about another liter, so it's at least 2 liters low. I didn't drain the pan. You can't know how much oil's in it until you drain the pan, but I have a feeling that there's not a whole lot. She's 1,500 kilometers over her oil change, and yeah, this is never something you want to see. Okay, so liter between the 2 dots. Try to keep it somewhere between there, please. Your motor will live a little bit longer.